This is Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 5. Coverage you can count on.
Central Florida is outgrowing its court system. All new at 5, the arm of the system they're shutting down to shift resources toward families who need help solving problems.
Central Florida is outgrowing the region's largest court system.
And today, the chief judge for Orange and Osceola counties told us something has to give, and it's happening now. Channel 9's Field Sutton found out he's shutting down one arm of the court system at the beginning of next month.
The math here is pretty simple. There are only so many judges in this building, and the state is not willing to fund anymore. Meanwhile, there are more and more families with issues like child support problems flooding the system.
Hi, how are you today?
At the Yalaha Bakery in Lake County,
Tarts, fruit tarts.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
there was a time when owner Anne Marie Klum almost had to turn off her ovens for good.
And it just didn't work out, you know?
An expansion into Orlando led to a sale and eventually to a lawsuit from the buyer.
For us, it was, very hurtful because you're a small business. You hurt financially with a lawsuit. Your name is tarnished.
Klum and her business ended up in Orange County's business court, an accelerated system with dedicated judges tasked with speeding up notoriously slow business lawsuits, a system that's shutting down in 2 weeks.
I don't want to shut it down, but I need resources to operate that court and all the other courts.
Chief Judge Frederick Lawton told me Florida's Supreme Court decided Central Florida's growth demanded new judges years ago, but the legislature won't approve the funding.
We can't restrict the growth of government in a growing population, which we have in Central Florida, and provide the same level of service without a growth in resources.
No one seems to want to take responsibility for this decision. We've tried to find who made this decision to cut the funding for the 2 judges that the court recommended.
Lowndes law firm attorney and Orange County Bar Association President Richard Dellinger says businesses have moved here and structured contracts to take advantage of a quick legal system.
All those cases that were pending in the business court had trial dates, and those trial dates were canceled. So there is no resolution in sight.
Under the business court, the bakery won its case quickly.
Would it drag 2 more years? I don't think we would be having a good business.
It would cost about $300,000 a year to pay for the judges they need in this building. That's compared to a budget annually in Florida of about $90 billion. In Orlando, Field Sutton, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.